About the politics over the Deepam Rao. We've seen that the issue that has been raging on in the state of Tamil Nadu over the last 3 weeks, day after the Hindu devotees were stopped from lighting the Deepam at the temple hilltop. Now just meters away from there, a ceremony was held at a dargah. Flag was hoisted last night as part of a festival that is going to be observed till the 6th of January. Now this came 2 days after permission was granted by the local authorities for the same, but where the controversy started when certain Hindu groups started to stage a massive protest outside the temple located on the hills. They asked that how can one community be allowed to proceed with their festival at the dargah while the other community is not being allowed to light the holy lamp at the Deepathun. Now around 100 members of various Hindu organizations were also detained by the police post the protest that has been taking place on the hill temple. Well, there has been heated politics over the issue in Tamil Nadu, which intensified after a 40-year-old man recently ended his life, allegedly because he was upset because of the Deepam controversy. The BJP has stepped up the attack on the DMK government, accusing it of trying to drive a wedge between the communities. The BJP says that Hindus will respond with their votes in the upcoming state elections. However, the DMK is also responding on the same line, tossing the same charge back at the BJP, saying that it was the BJP which was trying to create division in the society.
நீ பேசும்போது அவர் இன்சுலன்ஸ் மாத்தி சொல்ற சொல்லுமா வேற எதனா ஒண்ணு பாசிட்டிவா எதனா கேட்டா எப்ப தரப்பீங்கன்னா அது மாதிரி என்ன பேசுவாங்க எட்டவுனா அந்த சகடையை ஏன் கொண்டு வரீங்க உள்ள பதில் சொல்லிட்டேன்
இல்ல நான் இந்து அந்த கோயிலுக்குள்ள புகுந்த ஆமையும் இந்து நலத்திலையும் உட்பட்டதா வரலாறுல சொன்னதும் இல்லாம உங்க பேரை வந்து மதத்தோட குறிப்பிட்டு விமர்சனம் பண்ணிக்க ஒரு படத்துல ஆனா படம் தியேட்டர்ல வரல யூடியூப்ல ரிலீஸ் ஆயிருக்கு எப்படி பாக்குறீங்க
அப்ப அந்த படத்தோட தரம் என்ன நீங்களே முடிவு பண்ணீங்க தியேட்டரில் கூட வெளியிடுவதற்குண்டான தகுதி இல்லாத ஒரு படத்தில் நடித்த தகுதி இல்லாத ஒருவர் தான் நீங்கள் சொல்லுகின்ற அந்த பெயருக்கு உரியவர் ஒன்று.
It is not a big issue at all. Please understand, there is no prohibition for anybody of any faith to practice their customs or rituals in Tamil Nadu. Wherever the lamp was lit all these years, the lamp was lit again. You cannot be introducing new customs and rituals and saying that I need a right to it. It's only outsiders who don't have an understanding of our culture and our traditions are creating trouble. Please let me tell you, the BJP's version of Hinduism does not even know the concept of Muruga. Does the BJP of Delhi know what Thaipusam is? And they are unnecessarily only trying to fish in muddled waters.
Well, as far as the matter of Deepathun, that has been taken into the court's cognizance, but the political fight continues to rage on, with the BJP leader H. Raja also now demanding that Ayodhya-like ASI service should be carried out at the structure, which is now being claimed by the dargah side.
இல்ல நான் வந்து பேசிக் क्वेश्चनக்கே இனிமே போகாம இருக்க முடியாது நம்ம. நீங்க என்ன சொல்றீங்க அது இந்திய தொழிலாளர்களா சொல்றீங்க. ஆனா சிக்கந்தர் பாதுஷாவுக்கு கோரிப்பாளையம் மசூதியில கல்லறை இருக்குன்னு இது சுற்றுலாத்துறையினுடைய கையேடு சொல்லுது. ஒருவருக்கு 2 இடத்துல கல்லறை இருக்க முடியாது இல்லையா? அதனால எப்படி ராமஜென்ம பூமியில அந்த கட்டிடத்தை சுற்றி தொல்லியல் துறை அகழ் ஆய்வு நடத்தி அது கோவிலை இடித்துத்தான் கட்டப்பட்டது அப்படின்னு சொன்னது மாதிரி அங்கு திருப்பரங்குன்றம் முருகன் மலையில் இருக்கின்ற அந்த ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் கிளைம்ட் பை முகமடன்ஸ் அதை தொல்லியல் துறை ஆய்வு செய்ய வேண்டும். அதனுடைய தூண்களெல்லாம் நீங்கள் பார்த்தா ஹிந்து கன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன் இந்து பில்லர்ஸாக தெரியுது. அதனால் ஏன்னா நீங்கள் தான் இதை பிரச்சனையாக்கியிருக்கீங்க ஸ்டாலின் கவர்மெண்ட், நாங்கள் ஆக்கலை. அதனால் அந்த ஸ்ட்ரக்சரின் உண்மைத்தன்மை பற்றி தொல்லியல் துறை ஆய்வு நடத்த வேண்டும் என்று கேட்டுக்கொள்கிறேன். இதற்கு நடவடிக்கை எடுக்கப்படும்.
Well, Dhani is connected with us. Dhani, as far as this issue is concerned, this has been a sensitive issue for the last 2 to 3 weeks, as the Deepathun issue is now in the courts there. The BJP today is asking a question as to why one community was denied permission and for the festival of the other community, permission was granted, which has led to even more protests.
Well, when we spoke to the district administration authorities, many of them say that this ritual by the Muslims, this festival of the Muslims, the Sandanakudu festival, this has been happening continuously for many years now, and every year during the month of January, it will begin in December and it will go on till January the next year. So that is how it has been happening all these years, and that is why the permission has been granted this time too. But as far as the Deepam controversy is concerned, the authorities tell us that there has been no proof from the Hindu groups or the petitioner to substantiate their claim that the Kartikeya Deepam was lit on the Deepathoon 100 years back. So this is just a plain vague statement at this point, and this is in fact an imaginary claim that they are making, and they have no proof or evidence to establish this claim. The claim that the Kartikeya Deepam was lit on the Deepathoon atop the Tirupparankunram hills 100 years back is what the authorities tell us. So permission cannot be granted for an imaginary custom. While on the other hand, as far as the Muslim community there is concerned, every year during the month of December, January, this Sandanakudu festival, it has been happening. It is a recurring festival, and that is why permission has been granted, is what authorities say. Of course, politics is also playing out between ruling DMK and BJP in this matter. The BJP leader H. Raja, senior BJP leader H. Raja, whom we just heard, he says that just like in Ram Janmabhoomi, a similar archaeological survey should be conducted in Tirupparankunram hills too. He says that
a thorough archaeological... They are giving permission for the flag hoisting at the Dargah. Police making it clear to the protesters that the permission was given for a few only to climb the hill to make arrangements related to the festival. As they continue to protest, certain protesters was also detained and were taken to a private hall, later were released in the evening as well. But this story continues to bring as far as political parties who have been opposing the stand on the permission being granted to one and denied to another.